Why are my floors hazy? Why are they lifeless? Why are they, terrible looking? I clean them all the time. I don't understand. They shouldn't look this way. So the problem is not the fact that you're cleaning them or the frequency of cleaning. It's what you're using to clean the floors. And, the polyurethane coatings, especially on a wood floor, are extremely durable. They don't really require much, but they do require proper maintenance. And so if you use too much water, that's not great for a wood floor. If you use harsh chemicals, you'll strip off the polyurethane, causing them to look dull. That's not great, obviously. If you're using wax-based cleaners, that's not going to do a great job, because what those wax-based cleaners will do over time is they will cake on the floor. They'll leave a haze. They'll create that lifeless look. And so what we did many, many years ago is we developed a full line of cleaning products. Our products will not leave a haze. They will not use too much water. They're all pre-mixed. You dispense them out of a spray bottle. You just kind of spritz the product onto the floor. Use a dry microfiber mop, which is what we recommend, and then basically just wipe the floor clean. Everything that's on the floor will be transferred onto that mop, because the technology that we have in our cleaning system changes the surface tension of that dirt. It lifts the dirt off the floor. It doesn't smear it around. It literally will lift it and transfer it onto the cloth, leaving your floors looking vibrant and healthy and beautiful.
Do you recommend you vacuum ahead of time, right? I'd imagine, right?
Absolutely.
So you're going to vacuum, get your floors as ready as possible, and then use your product, right?
Yeah, vacuuming is always great, Jeremy, because you're removing all the particulate that is on the floor that's already loose.
I'm trying to get my wife to call into the show. We had a what do you call it? It's not an argument.
A minor disagreement.
Okay, minor. Thank you. It's a minor, because when you're married so long, it's a minor disagreement, right? She still won.
A
right?
divergence of ideas.
Yeah. Brilliant, right?
You're welcome.
And she's like, hey, we got, whatever gallon. What are those sizes that you guys sell?
The refill gallons.
Right,
yeah.
so we buy 2 at a time, because obviously a lot of kids, whatever.
You got an active
right?
home.
Yeah. Active home. And she'll use, in her words, a whole bottle or close to a whole bottle just cleaning our floor one time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I'm like, whoa, that's excessive.
Yeah, so Jeremy, what's interesting, and I don't want to get in the middle of your argument.
It's
or,
not
or
a
disagreement. Or
minor
He doesn't want to ruin his sales either.
Exactly. Hey,
right.
we're actually, we don't even type in the WGN promo code. We want you to get you to get it all. Yeah,
right,
exactly. Yeah,
fantastic. But the short answer is, so our 32-ounce quart bottle that we sell,
the spray one,
the spray bottle, right, is designed to clean approximately 2,000 square feet.
Oh,
now that's if you saturate every inch of the 2,000 square feet.
Okay.
Right, which you don't really need to do. So we recommend just a light mist. A little bit will go a long way.
We gotta get her to call in,
and then just wipe the floor down, because you don't need that much product. You don't need that much liquid on the floor. You just need to allow the product to activate the dirt that's on the floor, and then just get it ready for lifting. So
we use 2 fibers at a time.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's absolutely perfect.
Sure.
Because what the first one will do is it'll get up the first round of sort of dirt or whatever maybe caked on the floor. The second one will polish it up and clean off the rest.
We have all your cleaning products, obviously, because we have all those surfaces that you mentioned.
Sure.
And I was just blown away when she said, "Oh yeah, I almost go through a whole bottle." I'm like, "No."
Well, you know who
or
loves,
I've been doing it wrong.
Well, there you go. But you know who really loves using our product are cleaning companies.
Oh,
so a lot of our clients will actually buy our product and simply hand it to their cleaning person that comes in, and then because they don't have to be on their hands and knees.
Yep.
They don't have to be there's no buckets of water. You just simply spray the product, and then you just wipe the floor from a standing position. Makes their job easier. The floors look great. I mean, all the way around.
Hand scrubbing stuff. Yeah.
So
So we should get a discount to hey, tell all our listeners out there, if you have a cleaning person, you should actually ask for a small discount, because your cleaning person's doing less work.
Well, you could do that,
You could try to argue.
Or it's an insurance policy to make sure that the cleaning person, not that they would try to hurt your floor, but because in most cases they're just trying to get in and get out, they'll take a bucket, they'll create a concoction.
That was our, I learned from my dad.
And
so we're pretty sure that's why our hardwood floors got beat. Plus the kids and the dogs. And all that stuff.
But Jeremy, we have a lot of clients that will call us with issues that they see on their floors, problems. Why is my floor doing this? Why am I seeing that? And some of it goes back to cleaning, incorrect cleaning or incorrect maintenance. And so we'll kind of debrief what are you doing? Well, I'm not doing anything. My cleaning person is. What are they doing?
And I don't know. They clean it.
That's exactly right. The short answer is we don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
And so we go digging in their pantry and we find the bucket, we find
the mop, a couple mops,
we find
the pine
all
sol,
kinds of things. We find vinegar, you name it, we find it. And a lot of that stuff is either too harsh for the floor, or it'll leave that haze on the surface, which just destroys the sheen.